In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an Apple subscription and how to get a refund. So first thing you need to do is just head over to settings on your iPhone, click on your profile name at the very top here, and then this fourth option down, you'll see subscriptions. Just go ahead and click this. Right at the top is where you'll see all of your active subscriptions. So just go ahead and select which one you want to cancel. Once you're on this screen, you'll see a cancel button at the bottom, and just press that. And then go ahead and confirm the cancellation. Now, you'll usually still have access to the app until the subscription has expired. Sometimes if it's a trial version of an app, you might lose access straight away. It all really depends on the app that you're using. So in order to now get a refund for the app, you need to head over to an internet browser. In the address bar, type in the website reportaproblem.apple.com. Sign in to your Apple account. Select the drop-down right at the top here. Click on Request a Refund. Select the reason why you're requesting a refund. I'm just going to select I did not mean to buy this. As long as you've purchased the app recently, or it's a subscription that you forgot to cancel, you'll usually in most cases get a refund near enough instantly. So just go ahead and press Next. Then select the product that you want to request a refund for. And then finally, just press the Submit button at the top. As you can see, it says refund decisions take 24 to 48 hours. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you cancel and get a refund for your Apple subscriptions. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.